And Meghna Dev joins us from Ahmedabad. Meghna, how did the India-UAE talks go? What can you tell us about the MOU signed on the occasion as well?
So when we actually look at the entire event, in fact, Prime Minister Narendra Modi was really excited to be receiving the UAE president. And yesterday, when Prime Minister Narendra Modi arrived in Ahmedabad, he did say it will be a special moment. It will be a special day when he will be receiving President Nayan. Very importantly, you know, when we actually talk about UAE's collaboration, first of all, or UAE's partnership that it has had with Vibrant Gujarat Global Summit, it dates back to, quite a few years ago. So when we actually see that UAE's investments, if we see all across India, the investments that UAE has made, the businesses that the UAE has, collaborations that UAE has, the largest part of it is in Gujarat. So definitely that speaks volumes of how much of importance does UAE attach to investments, specifically when we talk about Gujarat. The second thing is definitely, we saw there was an MOU exchange where the DP World CEO was also there. Today also Prime Minister Narendra Modi earlier in the day met the DP World CEO. Now DP World is a company which deals with port and logistics. DP World is interested in opening an industrial park in Gujarat, and also we know that the Kandla port, they have investments there as well. So definitely when we're talking about bringing down the cost of logistics, this can be substantial as well. And besides that, when we talk about the industrial park, it is also going to be quite essential. And that's what we have seen also in the health sector. We saw an MOU, and there's also an MOU in the solar sector. Besides having said all of that, there is also at the Global Trade Show, which Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated today at the Vibrant Gujarat Global Trade Show. UAE also has a pavilion where they will be showcasing what they have in terms of tech and obviously attracting more delegates and investors and stakeholders in the business fraternity to visit it.
Now, Prime Minister Modi also met other world leaders and CEOs. What did those talks focus on?
Ramesh, that's a very important kickstart before the actual summit that will be inaugurated tomorrow. Now, when we actually see Prime Minister Narendra Modi met the Micron CEO. Now, Micron has investments in Gujarat. Micron is setting up a manufacturing unit in Sanand. Now, that is going to be very important when we are not only talking about setting up a manufacturing unit for semiconductors, but we are also talking about, when we spoke to the CEO, he clearly told us that we are also looking at skilling the workforce wherein they can work in the semiconductor industry. And now that is going to be something that will have results in the in the time to come. So for the semiconductor industry, Gujarat is ready, and that's what Micron has been saying, that we are ready. And because of the policy that of the Gujarat government, it has become easier for them to. They have already started the construction of the manufacturing unit. Besides that, when we are talking about education sector, Deccan University already has a campus now, which will be inaugurated tomorrow, and it will be the first international campus of any foreign university that will be opened in Gift City and also in India. Having said that, Wollongong University is also a university from Australia, which will also have an upcoming campus. Now, when we are talking about this sector of education, there is a lot of potential. When we are talking about IT Madras also going to Tanzania, IT Madras going to, IT Delhi going to UAE. So we have such collaborations in the education sector also. And Prime Minister Narendra Modi clearly, when he met the CEOs also in port logistics sector, in the maritime sector, where commercial shipping sector. So he also met Suzuki, where he did talk about how Suzuki has had an association with Gujarat earlier as well. So it was a very extensive day for Prime Minister Narendra Modi. And exactly, we can say a kickstart to the Vibrant Gujarat Global Summit before the inauguration, setting the tone, setting the pace right.
All right, we'll leave it at that. Meghna Dev reporting there from Ahmedabad. Thank you for now. Appreciate it. In some more news from South Asia, India's assistance to Maldives encompasses a